Children, how are you? I hope you all are keeping well. I'm very happy, children, to get this opportunity to teach you all a grammar lesson. Today, I shall teach prepositions for class 2. Prepositions for class 2. So please stay with me and don't go away. Children, you can take out your grammar book, but pay attention and listen to me. What are prepositions? What are prepositions? Prepositions are words that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun. Prepositions are words that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun. So children, it means preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. It means preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. It shows the position of different objects. It shows the position of different objects. Now children, let us go through some examples from the book. The branch is over the boy's head. The branch is over. The branch is over the boy's head. So where is the branch? The branch is over the boy's head. The ball is in the box. The ball is in the box. Where is the ball? In the box. The dog is behind the box. The dog is behind the box. Behind. So where is the dog? Behind the box. The dog is near the table. The dog is near the table. Where is the dog? Near the table. The dog is under the table. The dog is under the table. Where is the dog? Under the table. The dog is on the table. The dog is on the table. Where is the dog? On the table. The dog is between the bench and the table. The dog is between the bench and the table. So where is the dog? Between the bench and the table. The tree is in front of the house. The tree is in front of the house. So where is the tree? In front of the house. My mother is not at home. My mother is not at home. The car is at the door. So where is the car? At the door. The fruits are in the plate. The fruits are in the plate. So where are the fruits? In the plate. I met him in the market. I met him in the market. So where did I meet him? In the market. Dad will drive the car into the garage. Dad will drive the car into the garage. So where will Dad drive the car? Into the garage. The cow is sitting under a tree. Under. The cow is sitting under a tree. So where is the cow sitting? Under a tree. I met him on the way. On. So where did I meet him? On the way. Mala is standing in front of Sheila. So where is Mala standing? She is standing in front of Sheila. Polly is coming from Mumbai. Polly is coming from Mumbai. I paid rupees 150 for the shirt. I paid rupees 150 for the shirt. My friend lives near my house. My friend lives near my house. Jack walked across the street. Jack walked across the street. Shivani sits between Mohit and Tina. Shivani sits between Mohit and Tina. So, words like over, under, in, on, at, from, behind, between, in front of, beside, near, above, for, to, across, before, show the relation of one thing with another. Such words are called prepositions. Such words are called prepositions. Now, children, we will do the following exercises from the grammar book. We will do the following exercises from the grammar book. Please take out your pencil. Please take out your pencil. Exercise A. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. Tick a suitable preposition for each sentence. Tick a suitable preposition for each sentence. Children, please use pencil. The parrot is on, in, at the cage. The parrot is on, in, at the cage. So where is the parrot? The parrot is in the cage. The parrot is in the cage. Number 2, the girl is behind, under, in front of the tree. So where is the girl? The girl is under the tree. Under the tree. The girl is under the tree. Number 3, the boy is in front of, behind, near the house. The boy is in front of, behind, near the house. So which is the correct answer, children? The boy is in front of the house. The boy is in front of the house. Number 4, the train is over, under, behind the bridge. So where is the train? The train is over the bridge. The train is over the bridge. Number 5, the postman is in, at, on the door. The postman is in, at, on the door. So, the postman is at the door. There is a lamp over, in front of, on the table. there is a lamp over in front of on the table. So which is the correct preposition, children, in the sentence? Yes, there is a lamp on the table. The house is behind, between, in front of the trees. The house is behind, between, in front of the trees. So the correct answer is the house is between the trees. Between. Next, children, exercise B. Underline the prepositions in the following sentences. Underline the prepositions in the following sentences. The frog jumped into the pond. The frog jumped into the pond. So, which is the correct answer, children? Into. Yes, into. Into is the correct answer. This letter is from my daddy. This letter is from my daddy. So, which is the correct preposition, children, in this sentence? From. So, underline from. The basket is under the table. The basket is under the table. Under. The train will depart at 8 p.m. The train will depart at 8 p.m. Now tell me the answer in this sentence, children. At. Yes, at. The garage is behind the house. The garage is behind the house. Underline behind. Behind is the correct answer. He went on a picnic on Sunday. He went on a picnic on Sunday. So, in this sentence, children, two prepositions are here. On and on. On a picnic on Sunday. Mommy keeps the keys in the drawer. Mommy keeps the keys in the drawer. So the answer is in. We get up early in the morning. We get up early in the morning. So the correct answer is in. The monkeys jump from tree to tree. The monkeys jump from tree to tree. So which is the preposition in this sentence, children? From. Yes, from. Now exercise C. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks using in, on, under, beside, between or behind. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks using in, on, under, beside, between or behind. Number 1. There are clouds dash the sky. There are clouds dash the sky. So, you have to write, children, there are clouds in the sky. In. There are clouds in the sky. The tree is dash the house. The tree. This is the tree. This is the tree. And this is the house. So, the tree is, what will be the answer, children? Beside. Beside the house. The tree is beside the house. The sun is dash the clouds. Where is the sun? The sun is here. So, what will be the answer? The sun is behind the clouds. The sun is behind the clouds. The man is dash the tree. Where is the man? The man is under the tree. Under. The man is under the tree. Number 5. There is a book dash the table. So where is the book? The book is on the table. There is a pencil dash the book. So where is the pencil? The pencil is beside the book. Beside. There are flowers dash the vase. Flowers. See? Flowers, and this is a flowers. So the flowers are in the vase. The pencil is dash the book and the vase. This is the book and this is the vase. The pencil is here. So the answer is the pencil is between the book and the vase. Now exercise D, children. Choose suitable prepositions to complete the paragraph. Choose suitable prepositions to complete the paragraph. Children, this exercise you will do it on your own. Please try to do it on your own. The answers are given in the bracket. You have to choose the correct answer, the correct preposition from the bracket. Vivek is dash the market with his mother. She is carrying a basket dash her hand. Vivek's mother has her arm dash him. A vegetable seller is sitting dash the footpath. A dog is walking dash the street. A man is standing dash the shop. He is holding a bag dash his hand. At one corner, a shopkeeper is selling milk. There is a tree dash the shop. There is a tree dash the shop. So now children, I'll be giving you exercises for practice work. Please practice this and do this in your grammar copy. This is your practice work. Do this in your grammar copy. Look at the pictures. Fill in the blanks using in, on or under. Fill in the blanks using in, on or under. The books are dash the table. The crow is sitting dash the branch. The girl is standing dash the tree. The cat is dash the mat. The cat is dash the table. The river is flowing dash the bridge. The duck is dash the pond. The bag is dash the shelf. The ball is dash the bench. The girl is sitting dash the sofa. The children are dash the elephant. The boy is dash the bathtub. Now children, one more picture is here. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with prepositions. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with prepositions. One has been done for you. Number 1 has been done for you. Where is the clock? It is on the television. Where is the cupboard? It is dash the chair. Where is the television? It is dash the wall. Where is the doll? It is dash the green ball. Where are the notebooks? They are dash the shelf. Where is the lunchbox? It is dash the water bottle. Where is the bag? It is dash the chair. Where are the color pencils? They are dash the pencil case. Where is the flowers? It is dash the table. So children, have you understood? Is it clear to you? So I hope You are not giving trouble to your parents. Be good, help them, look after yourself, take care. I will see you all in the next class. Bye.